Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to run a scan with Windows Defender on Windows 11. So it's a very simple process. Let's get started into it. So here currently we're just going to search Windows Defender or Windows Security. Just open that. Here you're going to go into virus and threat protection, okay, and then you will have options here that says quick scan. You can just run this, or you can just go into scan options. Okay, so quick scan, it just checks for folders that are more likely to have virus, where Windows think there might be virus. So it's just going to go into a couple of folders and just run a very quick scan. Okay, so I'm not encouraging you to run a quick scan. What would I encourage you to do is run a full scan. This is, if you have a lot of files, this is going to take a while. So be prepared to not be able to use your computer. To not be able to use your computers when the scan is running. So if you have 2 or 3 hours of free time, just run a full scan and it will make sure your computer is fully saved from viruses. And if you think that a specific location or a specific drive has virus, you can just click on custom scan and then scan now, and then you can browse into that folder or into that drive. And finally, you can just use Microsoft Defender antivirus. So this is a very strong offline scanner, and it will help you lose the threats quite easily. But all of the this is only encouraged to use when you don't have a strong internet connection. Okay, so if you don't have an internet connection, you can use this, but the best option I would say is to run a full scan. So that's all for this video, guys, and if you have any other questions, any other problems, please put it down in the comments below. I think that's about it. So thanks for watching, folks.